This morning we're at the Green Mountain open space area. This is just west of Denver. It's in the foothills here. So the snow is mostly melted off. If you go up into the mountains, there's still an awful lot of snow. Some big snow drifts and all that are making it hard to ride those trails. But this area has melted off, and we're going to go up on top, and I know on the other side of this mountain is a really fun windy downhill that we're going to come down. So let's go check it out. This is accessed off of Rooney Road down here. Like I said, I'm on the west side of the Green Mountain outdoor area here. So I haven't been up this particular trail before, so let's go check it out and see where it comes out on top. There are lots and lots of trails on this mountain, so it's a fun place to come and just do some exploring. I'm here on a weekday, so there shouldn't be too many people out. Probably an area you want to avoid on the weekends, just because it's so close to Denver. I'm sure it gets really crazy. It's no fun when you're constantly dodging people and other bikes and all of that. But if you can get out here on a day like this, this should be a kick. The lower ground clearance on this Nitro compared to my Ranger always causes me to stick the pedals way more often than I do on the Ranger. I'm sure you've heard me say that before. I can't wait to get my new tires on the Ranger, get my studded snows off so I can get it out here on these trails. Today I'm on the Nitro. This is a fun bike. It's got the M620 mid-drive motor, 1000 watt. And it peaks with, I think, 160 newton meters of torque. So, pretty strong motor. Oh, God damn it. My biggest complaint about this bike is the ground clearance isn't enough. Okay, so I have been on this trail a few times. Always just go in the opposite direction. I'm just looking up the trail here to see who's coming. I only see one bike a ways up, so I think we're good. Just got a lot of little switchbacks here. This is a fun trail though. Oh. Don't remember that little S. Oh, there are two bikes. think we're gonna come back down this same trail just because it's so much fun. I always see some really crazy fast riders on this trail because the corners are all banked nicely and you can really just lean and fly through them. Oh, hey, thanks. This is a pretty fun little trail. We're still showing 83% on the battery, so I think we're gonna go do the big hill climb here. Ooh, this is a good workout. It's a long, steep trail. It's a long, steep trail. We just came from all the way down there by the highway, up that steep trail in less than 5 minutes for sure. Just cruising along. Nope. Okay, now this was that fun windy trail that we took up. We're gonna go ahead and go down on it. We've got this one muddy spot coming up here that we're gonna scoot around, and then we should be good the rest of the way down. One thing that's nice about these huge back tires is it doesn't cause any rutting if you have to run off the side of the trail to get around an obstacle or mud or whatever. You really don't do any damage to the surrounding hillside like you do on narrower tires.